through the whole experience and just being here in a new country, with meeting new people. It's really nice to have it.
So it is better to go slow and be safe.
Focus afterwards, concentrate on getting a better speed after you know the car and you know the proximity. I enjoyed most the off-road.
It was fabulous. It was the first time I tried it.
Mostly easy drift and off-road because they were the most interesting tasks, but the whole experience was very fun and
The easy drift part, it was really difficult for me. I've never did something like this before.
The lesson is drive slow. That's maybe the best advice I can give to future drivers.
The reverse driving by camera, this was something that was a bit difficult for me, but the other things were fine and I believe all useful for our everyday driving.
I am Victor Sima from Austria.
The second place went to Urban Ostrež.
Stefan Trimmer.